Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
You know, you in the West have a notion, and you have some preconceived ideas of where the foreign policy of Pakistan is formulated. Let me make it very clear to you, sir. The foreign policy of Pakistan will be made here, the Foreign Office. Now, obviously, this is a practice all over the world, that you seek input, and you seek input from national security institutions, and that input is valuable because there is a thing called institutional memory, and we have to take advantage of that institutional memory, and we should not be shy of that, and I will not be shy of that. I will engage with them. I will engage with them for the betterment of my country. Pakistan first is my policy, as I said. When policies are formulated in the US, don't you take an input from CIA? Don't you seek input from Pentagon? Obviously. I have also dealt with the strategic review that was undertaken by the Obama administration. I'm aware of the bilaterals, the trilaterals, and the different engagements that took place. And I know how the system works. We will work for Pakistan. And we all are for Pakistan.
Last question, Mateen Saab, last question.
Mr. Foreign Minister, thank you so much and good to see you again here. Very short two questions. One, as said by Mr. Imran Khan, there will be definitely austerity in all government departments from Prime Minister House to Governor Houses. Our foreign missions abroad, definitely, do you think that this policy will be adopted over there? Because we have definitely large foreign embassies, residences of ambassadors where budget needs to be cut, where austerity has to be adopted. And second, about corruption, there have been a number of cases within the Foreign Office in the past, massive audit objections. And that is the policy of Mr. Imran Khan as well, rooting out corruption. So what will be your priority on these two fronts? Thank you.
Obviously, my priorities have to be in line with the priorities of the government and the Prime Minister. He has set up a task force under Dr. Ishrat Hussain, a very capable man who will look after civil service reforms and austerity. And we are not above government policy. In fact, we will be in line with government policy. But every ministry has to have a different approach. We are engaging with the world, and we have to see what others are doing and what resources are available to them. So Pakistan has to match to their level, and obviously we will keep that in mind as well. On issues of corruption, obviously, we feel that corruption has destroyed institutions of Pakistan, and the ability to deliver has gone down over the years. Until and unless we address this very serious issue, we're not moving forward. So we are clear that we will address this issue, and we know there will be obstructions. We know the resistance that will come in our way. But we are determined to move on. We are absolutely determined, and we'll take them on.
Basi, thank you very much. No, sir, we will.
This is not.
Patience.
Hold on.
Patience.
This is not the last time I'm talking to you. This is the first time. and when.
Patience. Please.
Ek minute. Relax. Obviously, CPAC is a very important project. It's a game changer. It's a long-term project. I've been in the opposition, and we supported it. My party supported it. The Chinese ambassador, even then and now, has been in touch with me. And in the near future, I'm going to invite him over to give me an overview of where things stand and how to move forward. There has been stress on infrastructure, and I would like to discuss with the Chinese leadership and the foreign minister, whenever I meet him, what is going to be the next phase and how we enter the phase of socio-economic development and the betterment of our people through CPAC. It's an important project.
Thank you very much. Thank you.